Even how to make eye contact with your crush. Making eye contact can be tricky, especially if you are shy or nervous, but good eye contact is important for building trust and engaging an audience. Even if you struggle to hold eye contact now, all it takes is a little practice to confidently hold someone's gaze. Number 1. Turn your shoulders and head to face the other person's eyes. Opening up your body to the other person tells them you are listening, engaged, and ready to communicate. It also makes eye contact easier and more natural to maintain. Position yourself a few feet away from the other person's face. Number 2. Choose a focal point near the eyes. Most commonly, this is one of the other people's eyes, but if you are uncomfortable you can look between their eyes, just under or above the eye, or the earlobe. Number 3. Make gentle eye contact. Think of how you would look at a painting or great view. You are not focusing intently on their eye, but instead looking at them gently. Hold your eyes in this position and resist darting them around. Relax your gaze by breathing slowly as you make eye contact and nodding occasionally while you listen. Number 4. Break eye contact briefly every 5-15 seconds. Too much eye contact can be as off-putting as none at all. While you don't need to count the seconds, you should look away every once in a while to keep the conversation light and easy, but only for a few seconds. Some casual ways to do so include laughing, nodding, and acknowledging the other person. Looking at the sky/weather. Looking off to the side briefly, as if remembering something. Running your hands through your hair. Number 5, when it comes to a crowd, look slightly above the crowd. You will never be able to make eye contact with every person in a large group, so don't even try. Aim your eyes 2-3 inches above the heads of the group without focusing on one particular person. If you are at a podium or raised above the crowd, aim for the middle of the crowd without focusing on one particular person. Number 6, shift your gaze every few sentences. You do not want to look straight ahead the entire time you are speaking. Every so often, turn your head a different direction. Try to look at every section of the crowd once or twice so that the whole audience feels like they have your attention. Number 7. Alternatively, choose 4-5 people to look at. This works best if you know several people in the crowd and feel comfortable speaking to them, like a classroom presentation. Simply rotate your gaze from one to the other every 10-15 seconds.